it was so much fun to be out of Minnesota, you know, to see the rest of the world. We had a wonderful group of people. That was an era when many people did go into the Peace Corps. College graduates, we were BA generalists, and it was such an eye-opening experience to see how the rest of the world, or how one country copes. And it also gave me the sense that nothing is difficult in this country compared to what I saw over there. I mean, you can fix anything, and my students were so inspiring in terms of what their needs were and how they saw the world. It gave me a whole different framework for looking at things, including things like women's issues, coming from a culture that did not value women. Back to the United States, to the Women's Lib, the beginnings of Women's Lib, I was so grateful to be back in this culture. Having traveled through Afghanistan and other cultures on my way home, and then to see the strong social movements going on. Concurrently, we had the women's movement, the beginning of the environmental movement, and civil rights, all occurring at the same time. And it just gave me a lot to think about, a lot I wanted to act on.